Hi Jean, it's Leslie. I just wanted to go over just a couple things on your Project 2B assignment. First, up here where you have this information and you were figuring out the total, average, median, etc., they actually wanted you to have all of these items highlighted in the blue, not just this top one. So that would just entail clicking and selecting all of the cells from, let's say, D4 through E8 and going over to cell styles, and they want you to use the 20% accent one. So there we go. So just a little detail on that one. And then also over here, good job on creating the if statement, figuring out if something needs to be ordered or not. But they also wanted you to do some conditional formatting so that the items that need to be ordered would stand out a little bit. So what you need to do is just go ahead and select all of the items in that column. And up here on conditional formatting, and I'm in the home group still, so conditional formatting, and then highlight cell rules, and then we're going to use the text that contains rule, and we're looking for any cell that contains the word order, and then they want us to do a custom format, so we'll click on custom format here, and they want it to be bold and italic, and then the color is supposed to be this last red color. So I'll click on OK and then OK one more time. And now when I click outside of it, you can see that all of the items that need to be ordered are highlighted in this red color. And again, it just helps things stand out a little bit more on your spreadsheet. Good job doing the data bars and all of the other items in Project 1A. So just wanted to, like I said, just wanted to point out those couple things to you. Okay, hope that helps.